Good morning, everyone. Today we are talking about the village lifestyle and city lifestyle. So we are discussing on the village lifestyle and city lifestyle today. Boys will talk about the village lifestyle, and these boys will talk about a city lifestyle. So now let's get started.
In village people are living very good, and their lifestyle is very good, and people uh, eat organic food, and in village air is very good.
But in city airs and any other types of things is available. And you also know that in city hospitals is very far. In village hospitals are very far. And you also know that in village you any other people injured, and any other types of cases available, so they don't go to hospital, and they go to very far, for example 100 kilometers, 15 kilometers. So this is a not good for village. But you also know that in city hospitals are not far, and in city hospitals are very nearby.
Okay, now he is saying that the hospitals are very far in the village, and but now these facilities are available in cities, and you know that there are many options in cities. You can go any hospital and just take treatment there. So um, this is the important point, because you know that peoples of the village also come to city for their treatment. So what do you want to say on this topic?
But in city people are not live very long, because in city there are pollution is very high, and in today times people are very sick, and very not well to health, and these people health is very these people is very health is very not good. And in city areas only facility, but don't healthy product, like you talk about I talk about like vegetables. In city areas there is not a organic vegetable, and but in village area organic vegetable and organic farming, but in city area only chemical.
How can you say that in city pollution is very available? But you also know that in city pollution is not grow, but in village pollution is very grow, because there are many factories available in village. And in city this is a not good for people, because there are not chances for people, because in village pollution is very grow up, so they are come to in city, and they live in city.
You are saying that pollution is very high in village, but I think pollution is very less in village than the city, any other city. You know that people who lives in city every time sneezing and coughing in these winter season. So this is the real problem. And he's saying that if you are live in city, then you get basically you got problem in your throat and all these things. So peoples are who lives in city are not safe in this pollution.
According to me, in city people are not hard worker, because in village all the peoples are hard worker, because all the people, like mostly women, work by their hands. But in city all the women depend on machines. Like we talk about the washing machine, all the women in city depend on washing machine for washing their child clothes. And if we talk about in village, all the women or men also wash clothes by hand. So I think I think village people is hard worker as compared to city people.
Who the hell are you, my brother? And how can you say that it's only in a city? I think if you talk about washing machine, then I want to say you there are some some homes always have washing machine in village. And if you talk about cities person not a hard worker, then I want to say you, if someone wants to purchase washing machine, then he always do hard work. Then how can you say that?
Okay, now you know that every buddy has internet, and they just saw the they just see the lifestyle of the cities people, and they want to behave like a cities people. You know that villagers, they have also a fridge, AC, and all those things. And if you talk about the last 10 years, before 10 years, if we talk about, then you know that there is not these things are not available in the villages. So I think they just want to copy the cities people lifestyle, because today's is these types of lifestyle people are attractive. I think this is the reason.
Next thing we talk about that the hospital or education system in village and city. In old times, there I think in old times, like we talk about 1990s. So the hospital and schools are very far from village. But in our time, our government also provide much facilities. Like we talk about, in every village there is also one school provided by our government, and also built hospital near to every village. So I think in upcoming time, like we talk about, we live in 2026. In upcoming time, like we talk about 2027, all the villages are not face the problem of hospitals, and they don't go to as far as. So I think in upcoming time, all the facilities are provided by our government very well.
People are still not believing in the government school in villages, you know that. But if you talk about the schools, government school in the cities, then you know that our chief ministers are doing very well with the government school in Delhi. So I think this is the problem with the village government school, because you know that you went to village and you saw that peoples are not going to school, and they just want to switch their school to private school. So I think privatization are increased day by day in village also. All the people want to that their children study in the private school. So these are the problem in the village.
Firstly in village education and in city education and schools is very far in village and in city. And firstly we will talk about in village are schools is very far. So this is a very this is a not a good problem for city children and city girls. But you also know that in our time and nowadays in schools is very far in village also. And you also know that in city schools is not far, only 5 minute time you go to school, and only 10 minute time you go to school. But you also know that in city education and in city education is very good. And you also know that in city government give and provide food. And in government school government give food and copy, pencil, eraser, rubber, these types of things government give you. But you also know that in village this is not available. And in small in schools in village schools education is not good because in village schools education is not good. And you also know that I went to village in 1 month. So in 1 month I watched in government school in a village only 4 decks and 5 decks only available, and 12 children and 30 children is available in school. So this is not good for village children.
Now I'm talking about the atmosphere of both. Like we talk about firstly city, and after that we talk about village. So if we talk about the AQ level of city is very high as compared to village. but all the peoples of city, all the peoples of village are environment friendly because they liked trees and farming and all those things. But now time in city, all the people cut off the trees for making buildings, hotels and all those things. They don't think about our upcoming future, our upcoming generation. So I think in that way, village people are very eco-friendly as compared to city people.
I feel you can't say it because if you talk about city, then I want to say you some city are cleanest city of the India. If you talk about Indore, Indore is the cleanest city of India. And if you talk about village, then I want to say you in rainy season, every village person always face a problem of mudness. That's why I think in this way city is good. And if you talk about cleanness, then I want to say in this way Indore is good.
Hello everyone. Today we debated on village lifestyle and city lifestyle. So this is team A and this is team B. Basically, they put their points on the village lifestyle and they are favor in city lifestyle. एंड प्लीज़ अगर आप चैनल पे विजिट करते हैं तो आप चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके ज़रूर जाएं। तो मिलते हैं हम लोग किसी दूसरे वीडियो में। थैंक यू।